Alright guys, we just arrived here in Malaysia with my wifey. Kasi we just arrived here in Malaysia just now, 7:30, our landing. Pero may konting ko at hindi ako na-update. Kailangan pala ng arrival declaration.
Kanan akan dibuka. Exit to the right door.
Ito na yata eh.
City Center pa lang, Putrajaya Central. Hindi naman maano yung cellphone. We are going to Putrajaya Central.
Station berikutnya, Putrajaya Central. Station sambungan ke KLIA Transit. Dan stesen terakhir MRT Senayan Putrajaya. Next station, Putrajaya Central. Connecting station with KLIA Transit. And final station of MRT Putrajaya Line.
Hindi. Dami pa puno rito.
Ano to eh, yung tawag,
Ang saging.
hindi yan saging. Limutan ko.
Nope.
Hindi yan yun. Ito yung ano nila eh.